No hearts, no guts, just guns. Take off, levitate. It's a vibe that they don't demonstrate like. It's a vibe. It's a vibe that. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe that. It's a vibe. Don't demonstrate like. It's a vibe that. It's a vibe that don't demonstrate like.
Pull up swerving in the coupe.
Swerving in the coupe.
Swerving in the coupe.
하지?
I just fucked this bitch inside a Bentley. Hop up in no rape, got stars up on the roof.
I just fucked this bitch inside a Bentley. Hop up in no rape, got stars up on the roof.
I just fucked this bitch inside a Bentley. Hop up in no rape, got stars up on the roof.
I just fucked this bitch inside a Bentley. Hop up in no rape, got stars up on the roof.
I just fucked this bitch inside a Bentley. Hop up in no rape, got stars up.
I just fucked this bitch inside a Bentley. Hop up in no rape, got stars up on the roof.
I just fucked this bitch inside a Bentley. Hop up in no rape, got stars up on the roof. I just fucked this bitch inside a Bentley. Hop up in no rape, got stars up on the roof.
Holy shit.
What's this? Well, that's your executive order authorizing full use of our nuclear deterrence.
Are you out of your mind? I'm not going to start a war.
We're already at war, so we have to nuke them. We have to nuke them now.
General Death, if you do not shut up, I am going to leave you your command.
We have to strike now. We have to strike now. Annihilate. Kill.
Push aliens have landed. serious MC when I make sound. Man, I'm on serious moves in a this world. Them when I stuck and I lost and found. Nothing but jokers, bet imposters. Thought they were sick till I broke them down. Them chat BS, gas up the timeline. Thought they were sick till they see man drive by. Punch in the face, man won't get a high five. Deep connection, come like Wi-Fi. Punch you, fuck up the thing like a high tide. Don't like none of them, my type. Man get reckless like I got 9 lives. Smooth with a ting on my waist and more time might have the nank in my sock. Move serious, weight on the ends non-stop. Them man there just flop. Can't put me on the set with them, that's a mismatch. Enough of them MCs move like bitch fam. Too many egos, can't see talent. Trust me, I'll let man know what it is fam. Won't catch me on the set with tossers. Man count wins so we don't count losses. Heard man say that he don't like me, but them and I hating. Broken jobless, when I touch mic, no, I ain't playtime. Man do they out here, don't just make rhymes. Do you wanna all come see how I make mine? Man's connected, always ley lines. See man scurrying about in the daylight. Already said man out for the guap. Enough of them chat shit, enough of them blocks. And I told myself that I'd never stop. Trust no one, Loki died with a shotgun. Stand on a lone one, anybody hold one, yes. Right about now, man's out on a cold one. Trust no one, Loki died with a shotgun. Stand on a lone one, anybody hold one, yes. Right about now, man's out on a cold one.
drinks in the morning, pass out and do it again. Do it again. Yeah, we're gonna drink till the morning, pass out and do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Pass out and do it again.
Now if your dude ain't acting right, you tell that dude he got to go. If that dude be claiming that he broke, you tell that dude he got to go. If he want you to stay in the house every day and night, tell him he got to go. If he wanna run the streets, then you run the streets too and you tell him he got to go. Now if your dude ain't acting right, you tell that dude he got to go. If that dude be claiming that he broke, you tell that dude he got to go. If he want you to stay in the house every day and night, tell him he got to go. If he wanna run the streets, then you run the streets too and you tell him he got to go. You wear that dress and I put on your slack. Tonight I'm going out and ain't coming back. You ain't gon' get no more pussy cat. You ain't gon' get no more pussy cat. See me in the club, I'm out with my goods. Do like you do when you out with them goods. Up in the club, it's just me and my goods. Play like Katy Perry, kissing on goods. Now you can't eat or sleep, and now you in the house thinking about me. And now I do what you do, then me. And now I do what you do, then now you can't eat or sleep, and now you in the house thinking thinking about me, and now I do what you do to me, and now I leave, and now. Now if your dude ain't acting right, you tell that dude he got to go. If that dude be claiming that he broke, you tell that dude he got to go. If he want you to stay in the house every day and night, tell him he got to go. If he wanna run the streets, then you run the streets too, and you tell him he got to go. If your dude ain't acting right, you tell that dude he got to go. If that dude be claiming that he broke, you tell that dude he got to go. If he want you to stay in the house every day and night, tell him he got to go. If he wanna run the streets, then you run the streets too, and you tell him he got to go. Right, you tell that dude he got to go. If that dude be claiming that he broke, you tell that dude he got to go. If he want you to stay in the house every day and night, tell him he got to go. If he wanna run the streets, then you run the streets too, and you tell him he got to go.
leave it, outside leave it. And niggas didn't wanna back the team, so close doors, you're leaving. It's like mad shows, crowd screaming like a toddler with this team. Knee deep, fam, I mean it. You'd have to see this to believe it. Yeah, nah, you were fucking had to believe it. I swear. Too much drugs, too much drugs, too much drugs. Too much skunk, yeah, too much bud, too much skunk. Came through with the over that OG, done too much, ain't getting too much skunk, yeah. Came through with the over that OG, ain't no work. Big baggy with a bit of powder and a plant in it. The fed stopped me, well it ain't mine, now you planning it. Fuck me, this beat's hard in it. I'm off my face now, I can't feel it. Hands fuck now, I can't feel it. I ain't with it. I'm OCD, ADHD, PTSD, DXC, OCP and DMA. Yeah, all OD now, I'm okay. Shows all over the UK. Yeah, different smoke like every day. OT with that silver haze. Too so big in one for days. Too much drugs, too much drugs, too much drugs. Too much skunk, too much bud, too much drugs. Came through with it over that OG, done too much, ain't getting too much done now. Came through with it over that OG, ain't no one leaving. Men tryna step up, trust me though, these steps is way too high. Chick tryna make man vex, but trust me, way too high. Yeah, trust me, yeah. I'm on the next thing, way too high. Get me, I ain't messing, it's getting messy, way too high. Man tryna step up, trust me though, these steps is way too high. Chick tryna make man vex, but trust me, way too high. Trust me, I'm on the next thing, way too high. Get me, I ain't messing. Me and Kellerman real with the big gang. Too much drugs, too much drugs, too much drugs. Too much skunk, me and Kellerman real with the big gang. Over that OG done too much, too much done. Me and Kellerman real with the big gang.
One, this one dedicated to all hard man. Whether you're from Manchester or London, whether you're from London or Bristol, put up on the heart, phenomenal know. Like flows and a Kellerman a road show. So what runners on the road deep pro. You don't wanna brush your step and we show. You know what's that show, phenomenal tree. Put in the ganja, take out the seed. You all of me intelligent people on the roadside, just smoke weed. Yes indeed, that's what we need. Work, one time we talk about more. Like them boy, I keep off the floor. Keep off them door, I'm run up with the 4-4. You don't wanna see the 4-4-5. Toss my gun and then not stay alive. Take for your son, I might take for your wife. And we don't know that me, I got still, I got stop with knife. Tell them about phenomenal 6. They walk with knife when we walk with dicks. Tell them I go down some bricks. Down some bricks with a M16. Tell them about phenomenal 7. How much gun they bust for the week 7. Man don't want to get one out of the 7. Cause you only gonna get 11. Tell them about phenomenal 8. Bust my gunshot boy at the gate. You don't really care if it's early or late. Bad man real gonna fake straight. Phenomenal 9. Take with a 9. SW9. Tech 9 with a Tech 9. One them gun this me is fine. My boy fuck with mine. Then I get the 10. Max 10. Phenomenal 10. Tell them already now, tell them again. No problem. Gang. Me and Kellerman real with the big gang. Me and Kellerman real with the big gang. Me and Kellerman real with the big gang. Tell them I go get straight bombarded. If you never want hard, gonna get tarnished. Man do the pick to get red carded. We turn vex, everything get clouded. Tell them I approach me with caution. Don't tell them yeah they be long garden. Big tea like mother since grey garden. So I take man for idiot and get pardon. Tell me I go tell them why be high. Them things they cannot fall with me reason. And I was they come from, me not from seaside. No but man me a found in a real life. And when them chat man, me no response. Chat them a chat but can't go the distance. Let's keep on with a mind on the distance. For me I got catch cover with convictions. Tell them I know that them can't warn me. Watch them against me show like tsunami. Ready for the war and I'm a cover black hockey. Tell them bluff in a stage show party. Tell them I know who them a chat to. Can't believe they must have who them a chat to. Them boy have a bag of chat when we catch you. They keep the same energy when we catch you. Enough why we did that but them still I want more. Them will get calm but them want like they want more. Them will get calm but them want like they want more. Them will get calm but them want like they want more. Them will get calm but them want like they want more. Them will get calm to me what them boy feel like. Them will get calm to me what them boy feel like. Them will get calm to me what them boy feel like. Them will get calm to me what them boy feel like. Them will get calm to me what them boy feel like. Them will get calm to me what them boy feel like. Enough why we did that but them still I want more. Them will get calm but them want like they want more. Them will get calm but them want like they want more. Them will get calm but them want like they want more. Them will get calm but them want like they want more. Them will get calm to me what them boy feel like. Them will
get caught, tell me what them boy be like. They will get caught, tell me what them boy be like. They will get caught, tell me what them boy be like. They will get caught, tell me what them boy be like. They will get caught, tell me what them boy be like.
touch it. Bring it, bring it. Touch it, 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 grab it, fold it, flip it, flip it, fold it, grab it, touch it, grab it, fold it, flip it, flip it, fold it, grab it, watch it, grab it, fold it, flip it, flip it, fold it, grab it, touch it, grab it, fold it, flip it, flip it, fold it, grab it.
Come on.
Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop.
Turn it up, now you know who holding the throne, so give me the crown. Niggas saluting and trying to give me a pound. I don't really fuck with you niggas is clowns. Making the bitches strip and throw this shit on the ground. Get low, boss. Now that's the way that it goes. When we up in the spot, the shit be flooded with holes. Come on, see when you make it hot, the chicks will come out their clothes. That's when they get it. Mommy, you already know I suppose. Turn it up, shorty wildin' and shorty open, she beastin' it out. For the record, just a second, I'm freaking it out. Come on, while she trying to touch it, I was peeping it out. She turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth. I let her
touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it. Touch it, bring it, pay it, watch it, turn it, leave it, stop, format it.
What's that tune, y'all?
You a goddamn stain. Let me wipe the blood on my knife. Man, let me wipe the blood on my knife. Man, let me wipe the blood on my knife. Man, let me wipe the blood on. Let go. Get a hit, circle word without saying a single word. He claim he a rider, now that nigga ride in a hearse. Stupid nigga tried to play me dirty, now he in the dirt. His homies ain't gon' do shit but go put his name up in a verse. All you niggas pussy shit with halter tops and mini skirt. This Draco like a 9 to 5 who wanna come and get this work. Whoever the loudest in this bitch is who gon' get it first. This bitch confused, how she wearing coats but wanna sit in KOK, set it off, I'ma do the damn thing. Put my name on my gang, on my goddamn chain. To a rich nigga, you a goddamn lame. To a broke nigga, you a goddamn stain. Let me wipe the blood on my necklace, ayy, man. Let me wipe the blood on my necklace, ayy, man. Let me wipe the blood on my necklace, ayy, man. Let me wipe the blood off my Nikes, ayy, man. How the fuck you get all your bread took? I'm a real nigga, leave a trail full of dead crooks. I can see the snitch, you the type to make the feds look. I can make a sham shook that chopper scene like Sam. Okay, set it off, I'ma do the damn thing. Put my name on my gang, on my goddamn chain. To a rich nigga, you a goddamn lame. To a broke nigga, you a goddamn stain. Let me wipe the blood on my necklace, ayy, man. Let me wipe the blood on my necklace, ayy, man. Let me wipe the blood on my necklace, ayy, man. Let me wipe the blood off my Nikes, ayy.